Hi, good morning, people. So sorry for yesterday. I was not able to post about the newspaper because of some sort of shortcomings on my laptop. So now today I'm posting on 24th September, right? That is we're continuing with today. But if you want 24th September, right? But if you want that I should post 23rd also, then you can let me know in the comment section. I will upload of that also. And so we are starting with today. So first important article will be Modi meets Adobe Qualcomm CEOs in first day of US visit. This is basically in regards to the visit of Mr. Modi, and he will be also visiting particularly Prime Minister Yoshida Suga of Japan and Scott Morrison of Australia as well, and also with the company that Qualcomm is mentioned, right? So he will be also particularly meeting with those companies. I think 5 companies it must have been mentioned over here. So who have invested in India, right? So people having PSIR as optional, or they should always have track of all this. Okay. Now we'll be going for the second one. Caste census of backward class is difficult, Central Supreme Court. Right, so administratively difficult and cumbersome it is. So you should go through these and what are the particularly pros and cons of these. Okay, pros and cons are actually thing to take care of. And again, I'm mentioning that what I find useful and very important that you should not skip. I am mentioning those articles. If you want, you can go through each and every article. I'm not saying that, but whichever article I am telling that are very important and should not skip for that for sure. Okay. So on all this page I didn't find anything. So okay. So here is the PM cares is not government fund. Center tells High Court. Okay, that RTI Act. Due to RTI Act, many things were raised against it. Okay, so this particular article is regarding that, right? So yeah. Now today's editorial one. So today's editorial page will take your time for sure, because if you're not in the habit or you're a beginner, then you are going to invest at least 2 to 2.5 hours on this editorial section today, because there are actually 4 articles very important. Okay, I think the whole editorial section, short to say, is today is important. The first one, disease surveillance system for the future, right? Another grouping, this one is basically actually in regards to AUKUS and Quad. Okay, what are the challenges, what are the opportunities for India, right? Then climate change narrative that India can steer. Okay, this is actually important. Okay, and if you will see the syllabus, okay, if you will be having a complete knowledge of syllabus, and if you have actually know and you're actually known to the syllabus, if you have just actually you can say if you have learned the syllabus, then it will be very easy for you like me to sort or to actually point out that which article is actually very important and not to skip, and which article you need to just either in laptop if you are starting, so you could save it for future, or if you are having a hard copy of the paper, then you should cut it. When I was using the hard copies, like I was using the real newspaper apart from this laptop, so I have always cut down the editorials and everything, and I have made the record. If you want, I can make you see as well. I can give you a particular video upon that also, how to make the record. Okay, and again I'm mentioning that if you guys want any sort of subjective explanation regarding any article or editorial, you can let me know in the comment section. Unnecessarily I'm not going to be indulged in the same video the explanation and the important articles, otherwise it will be going to be very lengthy, right? If you want, you can let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me regarding the questions. Okay, now this one, e-governance. Okay, make departments smart first. And e-governance holds the promise of improving local governance, but only if you pay attention to the basics. It's important. And if you are reading from the newspaper, like the hard copy, again I'm mentioning, make sure you cut it out and keep it for future reference, right? Today's newspaper has actually have some many important articles. It is going to consume 3 to 4 hours if you are a beginner, I'm telling you. Center states outline plans to stem pollution, and it is important for the pieces as well, because here Uttar Pradesh to deploy decomposer. Clearly Uttar Pradesh is mentioned, right? So moving on to the next as this defense. 7,523 CR order for Arjun MK1A tank. So just don't read this particular article. Arjun tanks its variant 72 जो न्यू फीचर इन्फ्यूज हुए हैं इस पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट में वो क्या है, ठीक है. You should go through it, right? I'm telling you that synchronization between the past and the present article, it's very important. Keep the track of the current affairs, and also then only you will be able to understand. Check. The Supreme Court introduced faster system to send records, and please, people who have the habit of just reading the headlines, please make it sure that faster is not by the, like, don't take the term literally, because here it is fast and secure transmission of electronic records. This is particularly the abbreviated form faster, right? You can particularly see over here. That's why don't just go through the headlines and understand yourself that you have actually read the newspaper. No evidence of variants as INSACOG. This is regarding the SARS-CoV-2 virus, right? China sends fighter jets towards Taiwan. Again, people having IR as your optional, and for paper 2 as well, GS paper 2. Past events needs to be understood and read, and then link this particular article with the past events. International must engage with Taliban. वेस्ट एशिया की पॉलिटिक्स क्लियर होनी चाहिए, पाकिस्तान का स्टैंड क्लियर होना चाहिए, पाकिस्तान की कंडीशन डिप्लोमेटिकली क्लियर होनी चाहिए. देन यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर, राइट? I think that's it for today. Yeah, that's it for today. Okay, go through the newspaper if you want any sort of explanation, so we can go through that. And also I would like to mention Priyal and Himanshu, you guys have actually followed my IGTV first video, and whatever the things were, we'll be actually making it right. Whatever the discussion was happening, that was very good. And Priyal, your questions were, some questions were very vague, right? But still I have tried to answer, and that was a very good session. So I would expect other people also that you go through, and if you have any sort of confusion, you can DM me or you can comment, right? Okay, thank you for today. Have a nice day all.